Do you have a business in the holistic, health and wellness, organic, or sustainable living space and are looking to grow your business online? Natural Awakenings has been the foremost thought leader in the holistic health and wellness space since 1994. For 27 years, our loyal audience has looked to our publication for up-to-date information, news, advice, and resources in the natural wellness arena. And now we are excited to help you amplify your impact with our digital offerings. For a limited time, we are offering free digital marketing strategy calls exclusively for business owners, coaches, consultants, practitioners, or anyone that serves in the wellness and sustainable living space. We know that you are the world changers, the thought leaders, the ones that can truly make an impact on people's health, well-being, and mindset. And our goal is to help you reach a larger audience so you can grow your business and make an impact on the community. Space is limited, so click the link to schedule your free digital marketing strategy session today.